Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our channels, continuing our problem solving series in sequential and series. Here I came up with 68th question written on the screen. What is the problem statement of question given to us? Find three numbers ABC between 2 and 18 which satisfies these conditions. Your sum is 25. Number 2AB are consecutive terms of arithmetic progression. Number BC 18 are consecutive terms of geometric progression. So to solve this question, what all things are given to us? 2, A, B, C and 18 is given to us. What is sum of A plus A and B and C is given to us? A plus B plus C is equal to 25 is given to us. Then 2AB are given in an arithmetic progression. That means what? 2A is equal to 2 plus B till B. And what else is given to us? B, C and 18 are in geometric progression. That means what? The square of middle number will be first number multiplied by third number, that is 18B till B. So this is our first expression, this is our second expression and this is our third expression. Now I would have to bring the equation in one variable. I have three expressions and three variables. This is our first expression comprising of variable ABC. This is our second expression comprising of variable A and B. This is our third expression comprising of variable B and C. So from third expression, we may write the value of B as C square upon 18. And let's put it in equation number 2. So from 3 to 2, put B. So what will be going to achieve over here? 2A is equal to 2 plus C square upon 18. Let it be our fourth expression. Now from fourth expression, we may keep value of A in expression number 1, and from third expression, we may keep value of B in expression number 1. That will be going to get an equation in one variable. So the value of A will be going to come over here as 1 plus C square by 36. This is our fourth expression. From 3, 4 and expression number 1, I'll be going to write 1 plus C square by 36 as the value of A. Then the value of B as C square upon 18. And the value of C as C only we are knowing. And the sum is 25 is given to us. So we got the equation in one variable. And it's quite easy to solve this equation. Guys, 3C square upon 36 will be achieved over here. Plus C is equal to 24 will be written over here. That means C square upon 12 plus C is equal to 24 it will be. That means C square plus 12C is equal to 24 times of 12 it will be. That means C square plus 12C minus 24 times of 12 is equal to 0 it will be. And 24 times of 12, when will be going to compute? That is what? 288. Because 144 times of 2 will be 288. That is C square plus 12C minus 288 is equal to 0. And 12 we do know, 2 times of 2 times of 3. And another 12 will be 2 times of 2 times of 3. And an extra 2 we have. So I have to bring 12 by making use of all these factors written over here. So how we can make? Let's see, a 12 will be going to get generated over here. And 12 multiplied by 2, 24 will be going to get generated over here. So we may write C square plus 24C minus 12C minus 288 as 0. That means C multiplied by C plus 24. Then minus 12 as a common can be achieved by us. Multiplied by C plus 24 is equal to 0. That means C plus 24 multiplied by C minus 12 is equal to 0. That means C can be 12 or it can be minus 24. But minus 24 should be discarded by us. Because they told ABC are positive integers. They didn't say they are positive integers, but if they are lying in between 2 and 18, definitely they'll be positive only. Hope you guys would have got my point. So I got the value of C as 12 over here. Now we have the relationship between B and C. So using that relation, we can get the value of B. They'll be becoming 12 times of 12 divided by 18. So 2 and 3 and 4 will be becoming, so B will be becoming 8 over here. and as soon as I got the value of b over here, I have relationship between, yeah, a and c also we have relationship between. So we'll be writing a is equal to 1 plus 12 times of 12 divided by 36. So 3 will be coming over here, then 4 will be coming over here. That means the value of a will be 5 over here. So the value of a I got 5, the value of b I got 8, and the value of c I got 12. 5, 8 and 12 will be the value of a, b, c respectively. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.